If you want to customize the volume slider that appears after pressing volume up or volume down on Samsung Galaxy S26, in that case we need to go to the Galaxy Store, and then over here we can search for an app that is called Sound Assistant, which is an app that is provided by Good Luck. So if you already have Good Luck app, then you can find the Sound Assistant in there as well. So we're gonna download the Sound Assistant in here, and once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. Alright, let's open the app. We need to grant some permissions. There we go. And now over here, we should be able to start customizing the volume slider. So I'm gonna go to the customize volume panel in here. And as you can see, we can turn on this effect. So now if I press volume up and I tap on these three dots, we should be able to apply this. Over here we can also go to this slider in here, and we can, for example, make it a floating button instead. We can also check the expanded panel. But let's also go to make your own volume panel colors, because in here we can use these fancy colors, as you can see here, these different effects. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And if I now press volume up, as you can see now, it is actually changed. And if I tap on these three dots here, they are updated as well. We can also go to theme in order to apply one of these themes, so be sure to check that out too. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.